Modal verbs are fascinating little words that play a significant role in our everyday language. They help us express a range of meanings, from possibility to necessity. Let's dive right into the names of these essential verbs. First up, we have can. This versatile verb allows us to talk about ability or possibility. Next is could, which is often used to express a past ability or a hypothetical situation. Then there's may, which introduces the idea of permission or possibility. Following closely is might, a word that suggests a lower probability than may. Moving on, we encounter must, a strong modal verb that conveys necessity or obligation. Its counterpart, shall, is often used in formal contexts, particularly when making suggestions or offers. Should follows, indicating advice or recommendations. Let's not forget will, which expresses future intentions or promises. Its counterpart, would, is used for hypothetical situations or polite requests. Lastly, we have ought to, which is similar to should, but carries a slightly stronger sense of obligation. These modal verbs are more than just words. They shape our communication, allowing us to express nuances in meaning. They help us navigate through conversations, making our intentions clear and our statements precise. So, next time you're speaking or writing, pay attention to these modal verbs. They're the unsung heroes of our language, quietly influencing how we convey our thoughts and feelings.